Baby, just mama spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump up the proper size.
Dwayne, your producer.
I don't know what's wrong with you because the bed is perfectly fine.
Wait.
Guys, we are going downtown to go do my final shopping. To buy my little, bun and cheese and stuff like that. Huh? This man's trying to tell me that the bed's not spread good. Look at that. Look at that. What are you talking about? Watch out. The bed spread good. I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, there's always an issue, honestly. But this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this crop top. It's striped with some ripped jeans and my same slippers. Honestly, I've been wearing like the same slippers like my whole trip and the same fanny pack. I just can't bother, yo, I swear. But I am so hungry right now. I'm gonna feel like more that eat patty. I feel like every time I come on video,
Right now, I swear to God.
yo,
That's the FIFA right now.
me no want no more KFC.
That's how you
I need some patty. I feel for a stuffed patty with cocoa bread. Yo, every time I come on this, I always talk about food, but I feel for a stuffed patty with cocoa bread.
No, it's a TV. I want to take out the paste and wipe it out.
It's just sweeping out the hall, not the hall, the room before we go.
Yeah, she's supposed to wipe down to the dog. No, you can wipe it down for me.
When?
Oh, man.
Yo, I'm actually really hungry. Now I like crackers.
Beat up that man and still, I go, look something there. Today, you come here and dog, stranger, brother, I'm not supposed to get up and look food here. You look blinking for you and look food here. You remember what I say? You come here, I want to just like this, have your phone. Hungry, and you take up back your phone and go for next one, you put them again. Hungry to kill someone or dead someone if you dead on you. John or stuff. Put on your phone and look food here. Don't video my man, don't know from box phone again.
Oh Lord, I can't. But
Come
right
on,
here. Oh, you don't want to wear it? I'm trying to make you wear these glasses. No, but you should.
Why?
To look like cool.
Yes, because you want me look? No.
I'm just joking. I am just joking. I feel like a piece of it. Auntie Jem, is there any biscuit or anything I can just put in my belly?
Bread.
Bread? Okay. I'll take bread. This man is so annoying. Watch him. Ready. See, when a garbage don't stink like a fuel one.
Gotcha.
Eh?
Back.
So it don't stink like a fuel one. When a garbage just smell organic. Our garbage just smells, I don't even know how to explain. What? Yo, the sun is actually beating, eh? Bro.
You know, you're not that.
Bro, the sun's actually beating, eh?
Because the apple will beat you at all.
Yo, a bare sun rays are pelt pound, though. Yeah, I sound like those beggar people. Yo, we could have brough it, go downtown and brough it cross, go out Trelawney. And brough it cross, go out chill out.
We call on 2 weeks out, brother, and go clutch back.
Clutch back in the city, you see me?
Yo, if the Jamaican talk, the Jamaican.
Yo, we could have clutch it, dog. Yo, clutch back in the Gideon, you see me?
No, you use Gideon. What are you talking?
We not clutch back. Oh Lord. Always namming. Guys, it is my last day. Well, last official day on the island. I'm leaving tomorrow night. I'm gonna miss this one. Yo, there's food is all in my mouth. Oh boy, I feel like I got almost everything I need to bring back. And it's not 100% everything, but majority of things. Right now I feel depressed. To go back into the snow. Oh God. Guys, I am bored right now. Everybody left me. I'm home alone on this last day. Well, Kimara went downtown to buy some food and buy apparently a gift for me. And then other people went to church for fasting, and me one day here. And the internet keeps going and coming. So like, I don't know what else to do, to be honest. I just feel sad right now. I really don't want to come back in the cold. I've been saying that every single second. Sometimes I just feel like, yo, if I had a good job, like here in Jamaica, like I would actually live here. Yeah, things are some stuff are expensive and some living conditions are not that great, but like if I had like, if I built a good house with water and all type of stuff and had a really good job, would I live out here? I'm not tell no lie, because I love the heat. Even though one time I was considering moving to Florida, but I don't know about all that. I don't even know. I can't live in a cold country no longer, I swear to God, guys. I cannot. But I have a couple hours. Okay, I don't even have 24 hours yet. I'm going in like I have less than 24 hours. I have more than 24 hours left here on this island. So you guys know when you guys just, when you think about going back to work and you just feel so, like you feel nervous. Like, I love work, but me just feel nervous going back to work. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what I mean by I don't know what to do. I just don't know how I feel. And you know why I feel like this? Because a long time I don't come back to Jamaica. It's been, what, a year and a half since I last came back here. And then I didn't spend a long time, because normally I spend like more than a month. So that's how I feel some ways. I just don't feel like my stay is done, but that's how it goes still. And I'm gonna miss my babes. Oh Lord, I'm gonna miss my godchildren and everybody. I saw it go, but I will make sure I go save up and collect my little clothing for next time. Get back on the grind, because I love travel, so I need to make money to travel. So I shall not fret. You see me? But anyways, guys, less than 24 hours till I'm gone. Me and babe at what do you call this, Lovers Park. I'll the phone light so you guys can kind of see me. I'm just here having a little talk, and guys, look at this chain he bought me. These earrings. That'd be nice, bro. Yo, they're cute. I love them. It's so annoying, but we're just here. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you so much, I swear to God.
But I put that stamp on more.
I didn't put it on your mouth.
Why put that off your mouth?
He's mad because I have lip gloss on my mouth.